Hey guys, what's going on? Hi. Wait, no. Hi. Hi. So look at this. Here's what a dog. Guys, I'm just showing y'all. What does a dog look like with clothes on? It's too big and crazy. This dog will go after Sophie. Damn it. This dog will go after my hawk constantly. It's a girl. She wants to have pups. Now, shake that. Guys, look at this. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. Oh yeah. Sophie, work it, Sophie. Work it. Work it, girl. Look at that. Her eyes are a very unique color. Look at that. Hey! You will pause as I say you will. Look at those eyes. What a dog looks like with clothes. Now look at that. 2 shirts on. Hi, Sophie. Who's a good girl? Now she will look at you for me one time. Do it for the camera, girl. Hey, girl, you need to do it. Okay, so here's how she looks. What? So you have to have your back turned to where she does. Sophie! Come on. Okay, so let's go. Okay, you are just the work of art. So she's standing. Woo! Yay! Hi.
Ooh, this up. Listen, one more time.
Okay, say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Say it, please. I need to be the subject. Hi, boy. Who's a good boy? Shoulder. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Oh, you better say hi to YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Mama, say hi to YouTube.
And Mama put it all the way.
Sophie, say hi to YouTube.
So, see you later, guys.